How to change Netflix language. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change language on Netflix. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now what you have to do is just go ahead and then make sure to update the Netflix app. Once you've updated it, open the Netflix application and do not directly log into your account yet. Once you open Netflix, you want to make sure you're on this specific profile page. And now if you want to change the language, all you have to do is tap on the edit button on the top right hand side of the screen, and here you have to select a profile for which you want to change the language for. For example, let's say I want to change the language for this specific profile. Just tap on it, and over here you can see display language. You can also see video language, which means your audio and subtitle language. So if you want to change the display language that you see, tap on display language, and you could go ahead and change it to English, Espanol, Philippines, or anything as such. But if you want to change the show language, tap on audio and subtitle language. Here you can see the audio language will be set to English, and the other ones you can change that as well. You can also scroll down and select your subtitles language, and that's all it takes to change your language on Netflix. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.